The Wi-Fi Ultra Boost features built-in antennas that extend the reach of your wireless coverage by penetrating walls and traversing multiple floors. Regardless of the size or architecture of your home, this clever device will transmit signals to every corner of your property, thereby liberating you to enjoy an unbeatable wireless performance in any room that you feel like. As well as boasting unbeatable Wi-Fi reach and penetration, Wi-Fi Ultra Boost offers a high-quality wireless network connection with speeds of up to 300 Mbps. In this way, the router can create a long-range and high-speed network connection that will allow multiple household members to enjoy high-speed connections at the same time. Also, you may want to improve your wireless experience if you suffer from any of the following. There are dead zones in your home that the Wi-Fi signal does not reach. Dead zones are areas of the home in which Wi-Fi signal can totally disappear. Most of the time, this is because the Wi-Fi router is simply too far away, or it could be because your home features unusual architectural features that block the signal. Either way, a Wi-Fi booster will be able to get rid of these dead spots and give you the freedom to enjoy the internet from anywhere in your home. Some parts of your home suffer from slow Wi-Fi. Although your home may not suffer from any dead zones, you may notice that Wi-Fi connection in certain rooms is slower than in others. If you've placed your router in your upstairs bedroom, for example, but spend most of your time in your home office downstairs, you may be dealing with a slow and compromised signal while trying to do your work. Fortunately, you do not have to put up with this situation. A Wi-Fi booster will instantly and affordably boost your network strength, allowing you to enjoy fast internet speeds anywhere and at any time of the day. You want to enjoy the speediest Wi-Fi possible. 4. Although you may not notice any particularly frustrating dead spots or areas with slow internet in your home, a Wi-Fi booster has the potential to make your Wi-Fi network much faster. Indeed, it will allow you to easily upgrade to cutting-edge Wi-Fi technologies without having to replace your Wi-Fi router. Installing a Wi-Fi booster is also great if you want to use multiple connected devices at the same time without compromising on internet speed or efficiency. You own a large property. If you own a large property, the overwhelming likelihood is that you will need a Wi-Fi booster. Regardless of how centrally you are able to place your router, it is unlikely to be powerful enough to reach all areas of your home efficiently. Opting for a device such as Wi-Fi Ultra Boost will solve any signal issues at the click of a button. You want to use the internet outside. Nothing beats a little al fresco internet surfing, particularly if you're attempting to get some difficult work done. Investing in a Wi-Fi booster will allow you to do just that.